Hello everyone, how to tuts. I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create an Instagram account step by step. So I have already two account in my device. That's why you can see here two account, but if you don't create an account yet, then you'll see here this is nothing like this. So simply you should find the option create new account. I'm just going to create new account. Then you can get here two options, like you can create your account with your phone number, mobile number, or you can create your account with email address. So this time I'm going to create account with my mobile number. So and once it's done, simply tap on the next button. So you have to create your password first here. So I'm just create my create a password with at least 6 letters or numbers. It should be something that others can't guess. So I'm just create the account, the password. So I input the password and simply tap on the next button. So then you have to give your birthday. Once you set your birthday, simply tap on the next button. And you have to give your full name. I'm just going to give my full name, something. Simply tap the next button. And you have to give your username. So I just keep it the default, and if you want to change your username, then you can tap here and you can change it. Then simply tap on the next button. And agree to Instagram terms and policies, so you must tap on the agree, otherwise it's not be the forward. So you can see, like, you can perfectly create your Instagram account. I'm just going to tap on the skip button. Okay, it's perfectly created. So you can allow access to your contact. If you next, then your contact user will notify. I just keep it next, don't allow this time. Get Facebook suggestion, skip it, skip. So I also skip this one, and I do all the things skip now because I'll do it later. So you can see perfectly created the account.